Yeah, that's that style.
Again, yeah.
Right, that's so.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
Them say them not like me. Let him go. The man said let him go. Fine. The man said clear.
Yeah.
I'm told you how much voltage.
How much voltage you want?
Lick him. Jump back in a position so beat again.
Yeah, the man say clear, you know. Everybody have to take care of for your patient, you know.
Yes.
You know, a whole thing will come here.
I'm alone can't take the pressure of the car. His body dead. So he can yield back like that one. They can't put it back for him.
Yes, Baja.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah,
Man, some space, you know, enough can do things.
Yeah. Jaja. Drained everything. So, bullshit.
Yeah, man. Can call Mount and say, come, let's go have a shower, you know? Bro,
what are these?
So, Joe, yeah, put it in.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, plug back. Yeah, plug inside.
Right.
So you want me to talk, Venus or something?
Yeah. We'll just do this thing and get back to that then.
Yeah. So me and Marie back again with the Dream Team, Kina's Dream Team. Right? As you all know that teamwork makes the dream work. I'm fully on board with him, whatever he's doing, not try because it's about bettering lives and that is what he's doing. So these are just some little things I'm gonna bring, like mostly for the kids them. So I hand it over to Auntie Little. It's like school bag. Open it. I think book and say like come get it, I never bother even book and pencil. I'm gonna leave it in your charge, Little. So it's up to you and Kino who you want to distribute it to, you understand? So yes, this one this having some books and so you don't know, like you can share it up in our way. That's the kids them. Whatever. Because guess what? Alright, I have some little shoes.
Some little picnic here, man.
Yeah, some little kids share. So it's gonna be left up to you and Kino who you think most in need.
I'm not going to ball.
I'm not going to ball. If you don't kick that.
No, I'm not going to pick them and get it.
Yes, yeah. So I'm not going to blow it up. But I try to get some more, but it never materialized. So, right? So yeah, that never materialized. Alright now, so this is Auntie Little, and she works so hard. Right? So this is you. The other lady may not forget her, but at the time, so the next time around and stuff, whatever, like those 3 tops.
Yeah, man, Vardy.
Whatever you
Worry yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Right?
Worry yourself, yeah, Vardy.
And the next time around, we'll bless up the other lady as the sizes where it go. So this is you, Little, alright?
Okay, thank you.
I'm not going to say because my son sent me out. If the place locked for me, I'm not going to hear the end of it.
Alright, thank you.
So I just pass through.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. Alright, and these are from friends. Like one of them, we got my friend named Richie. He live at 3 Oaks Way. But I'm tell him and whatever, so I'm tell him say, I want him to get me some little candy too for the little girl in our stall. Because we talk about entrepreneurship, right? So she can know herself. And them I know what this guy named Phil, and they get some things. So somebody bring it on. So I just for them. And the ball now are from my daughter, named Topaz. She live in New York, so you know she's saying so anytime anything come and whatever, and we can get out to it, I'll always do it and bring it down.
So thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for your
Next
support.
one, Sarah. Big up Sarah too, yeah?
Sarah, oh yeah, you know what? To the thing change, the thing,
Yeah.
or whatever. But I don't know, kiddo. You say whatever. I'm not gonna go into that. Whenever if you're ready, you know you
Where's
can do
the young
whatever
man
you
there?
Phil. Phil gave me the box, and Richie gave me the book them and the pen. pen.
Okay, thank you, Richie, for supporting the children them to back to school.
Right.
Thank you very much. And Phil, thank you also for the bag for the children. I'm glad you looking out for the children for the education. Although the corona, but they still give up some gifts.
Yeah, man, Phil, man. Yeah, man, respect Phil. Come like a filter, you know? Come like a filter. Whoa. Dream team, yeah. So no,
One team.
The ball and shoes came from Topaz. That's my daughter.
Big up Topaz,
I
yeah?
can text the name them and everything.
That's it when you do
So
it.
in time I
Alright,
get
I'm
out,
go up
so.
and do that, right? So you know, and then now I beg 2 chalkboard. Cause you know, look like school I go open anytime soon. But the girl is all the way in Atlanta. So that's the problem now. She said, Marie, if anybody come I beg chalkboard and markers, but I forget it down here. Some don't know. But me, you never know. Sometimes you know, by putting stuff out there, that's why I do it now. Because you think international. So I have a friend in Atlanta that the kids them can get chalkboard because as people know, the corona school is not open yet. So if anybody's in the Atlanta area where they might come down or anything, them can link in or can link me and we can tell her and maybe she can get the chalkboards them to them. Because you don't know what picking them bright already. I just help them want. And one of them, you know, picking up their school and teacher, somebody cannot whatever and them are go and catch up on them lesson, meanwhile them out of school. Alright. So right there,
Yeah, man, so thank you so much.
yourself and little, no love everybody. Alright. Yeah, man.
Holy pa love, man. You see it? Holy
Give
pa
them
love.
support.
Dream team.
Alright.
Yeah.
Catch the name them.
Yeah, just text me the name them.
Yeah, man. Holy present Dream team filter. Come like a filter.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Put a new shirt again. Put on a shirt.
Come on, you see
Put
that?
a new shirt.
Yeah, man. You can see it now.
Colors.
Every minute.
Yeah. The new look. Dream team at the back. Turn back, I'm saying it. See there? The dream team at the back.
Yeah.
See there? When I'm get refreshed.
Black life matter, yeah?
Yeah. See the black on it there, friend in need. See there's an upgrade.
Upgrade, man, boss.
Upgrade to the new work, you know the thing where I go do with the see there. Body have on them colours. Dal pay. Colours. You know the thing but then again I put in the work. Get some fresh gears. And you know the support and the fans them are going to want for them one very soon now because them see that. Stand up boy with them say the chef. Whoa! So there's a chef with them see the colours. Whoa! So you see the thing there. Dream team. Oh, them say one team. Oh, you know the thing go.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
It's alright, you know.
yeah, Prince them dream team too.
Yeah, up top.
Up top. See the whole team there. You know the thing we are putting in the work, see me. But hear me I say, they have Ras Diego.
Yeah.
Yeah. But them say, we call himself Love Life Music Works. And do some work with Rosa as well who overseas. You know, and the man donate well $8,000 and we must decide what we are doing with it. You see me say, you know, it's not enough for reach for every man. So we as a team we got to decide what we got to do with the $8,000. You see me? So you don't know, say, I want to come up with that idea. We don't want the chef to do it, we don't want to do the $8,000 because as I mean, I say, nah, I can't reach for every man to get something. So we don't feel like what should I do for that $8,000 then.
Alright. You don't know. We might have the more view. But if you feel like 8,000 if it split even down then. We just put on a little party for ourselves one of them. Special day. We just cook some food and buy some liquor.
Yeah.
and celebrate the good day.
Yeah, man. So what the man is saying? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So when I cook.
Give Diego thanks sweet, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up Diego.
Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
Ras Diego from Canada.
Yourself, Jenna.
So people you can check it out on YouTube.
Yeah.
Love Life Music Works.
Love Life.
Yeah, that's how them record label. Yeah,
man.
Love Life Music Works.
Big
So
up.
Ras Diego, big up yourself and give thanks to that. So the chef, I gotta do the maths in the kitchen. You don't know where I cook. But you don't know the chef, I gotta make the magic work.
Yeah, man. I'm going to stretch it.
Yeah.
This side, you know.
So yeah, so the man that this side,
Oh, man. I'm going to leave you for the side. Yeah, the chef, man.
yeah, so yeah, the
So what?
chef.
All right. If you know, say I cook on floss. You know, say I like rice and curry.
Alright.
And
National dish, you know that?
I don't even laugh.
alright, to get your t-shirt.
You see?
Put it down quick and fast. All the fast carrying the place, see there?
One team.
Well fit. Look like you take an extra large.
Like this could have take into, you know.
Tighter than that way.
I like my gang.
After me, I said I take an extra large. Yeah, so the chef, I do the maths. Yes, me so a big up Ras Diego and see we have that drink from Ray-Ban from the US.
Ray-Ban from the
Dream Team.
Ray-Ban from the US.
See the one from the US. That's from Ray-Ban from the US.
I know him now do nothing for you, you know.
Yeah.
You
Need
never.
you for come on board.
Yeah.
See you, man.
Nephew.
Mr. Ray, please. We have
Come
to
in.
Mr. Ray.
A long time we are do it for you and I get the prop, you know.
Yes, sure.
They're all over the world. I know international, but we have put it further.
Yeah.
The four corners of the earth. Do something for it. Give them the laugh. It's not a joke thing. One more.
Give him the whoa. Whoa. Give him the whoa.
Dream Team and whoa. Not no water. Dream Team. Yeah, man, a Dream Team with the wow, man. You know where the thing go. And there's a couple of the chosen them out of the Dream Team.
Whoa.
And we have man like Bramwell, the painter, $2,000 from Superwoman from Canada.
Superwoman.
Superwoman
Go and
from
big up yourself.
Canada.
And do it
The one
team,
that won the
man.
Superwoman.
One team.
One thing. Yeah. Prince I drink a thing, one side. You know the thing go. So yeah, so we also have I'm saying the next month of the team got chosen as well too. You have Len Diamond from Paragon, Georgia, USA.
Almighty God, good morning and
She like the work he always put out, you know. From Paragon,
Give thanks,
2000.
what's the name again?
Paragon,
Paragon,
from Georgia, USA,
Georgia, US.
2005.
God, give thanks in a Georgia, Paragon. Keen on the whole family. One team, Jesus Christ, hard work, we not look for the pay. Just look for God, give up base, strength and love. God, so we bless this way you have to do for you now. Pick up everybody who come on the board, you know. We're not left for now. You hear that? John Vinci and the whole crew, but then we can call the whole of the names. Don't they judge?
Too much.
Give thanks, you know?
Give thanks to the team.
Like Alina.
I have another chosen when I get into the team. You have Coxman, also from Paragon. Yeah, from Georgia, USA, 25.
Whoa, Paragon. And Georgia from USA.
No, she named person named Paragon.
So Paragon.
From in Georgia.
Blessings and respect, you know. Appreciate it, you know. Love goes out, you know. Guide and protect yourself, you know, Paragon. Dream team, they are do the good work. What's the dream team?
Dream Team. I also have Talpi. Talpi. This is from Cam, from New York. New York. Oh, yeah, that's a New York.
City of New twice.
Cam. from New York.
Twice.
She really admire the work where you always have put into as well, you know?
Yeah.
Great.
Man and leg, you know?
One team.
One team. Dream team. $6,000 from come from New York.
Beautiful. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow.
Bless the baby. Holy for love with them. Bless the Queen of Kingdom. Bless all of my team members. Bless the teacher.
I have also the chef. Whoa.
Whoa, you know?
Chef, how in there? Oh, see the camera find him. New York. He's also $3,000 from the Superwoman from Canada.
Come on, never go to Superman.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's $3,000.
Come on, never go fly across Superwoman.
Yeah.
Wonder Man, you know? Superman, Batman, yo! Superman.
Yeah.
Batman,
I also have liquor.
Oh, Radin.
Liquor.
Only part of the team, you know?
Yeah. $2,000 from Superwoman from Canada.
Bless up with a Superwoman. May God bless you. Your basket will never empty. And the whole of the people them always add we know. Blessed love to everybody. Dream team.
Delgado from Sister C.
Sister C.
Yeah, $1,000. Sister C from Nottingham, England.
Sister T from
Sister C.
Chacha. Can't take you for 100. Whoa. It's not no man. English.
Yeah.
How she come from England? Chelsea.
Nottingham.
Nottingham. Pick up yourself. Your mama. All of England. All of Tottenham. You see me?
Yeah. Nottingham and Tottenham there.
Nottingham. Nottingham. All the people. Pick up yourself. Yeah. All the people love you know. Yeah. You don't know. If you get the things out of running on baby. You see?
Yeah.
Pick up apple pie too. Yeah.
I mean pie.
Bye. I have Prince. $13,000 from Cam towards the cars. So count that. In your new shirt when I go on.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And 5, 13. And Cam, my name is Cam from New York.
Big up myself, come from New York. Only for love, only for strength, guide and protection, you know?
Yeah.
God love.
Alright then. Dream team.
One team.
See the man?
Yeah.
One team. We say one team. One team. Colors. Alright then, I will say
one team.
I will go big up the whole of the view of them. Big up the subscribe of them. Big up the whole of the donor them.
All the people who are
You see me, I said, right through. You see me, and who still have to come on board, see me. I will have to also big up the Roosevelt. Freeport Church of Christ from Long Island, you know. Big them up, come on board. There's a lot of more people say them come on board, see me, and so we give thanks to everybody who are giving the support right through the journey. And it's only a continue, so we not stop. Because you see it here, at the unity what we have and the love, there, you see me, I say, and them say one team, there's no iron team. You see me, when them say there's no iron team, so them say one team.
One team.
You the journey start, you know, so you're part of the dream. Foundation. I mean, see it there? Top me right now, man. Things spread out.
One team.
Man.
One team.
Yeah.
Colors them out. Numbers.
One team. One team. You see thing where I said round this up here. More are come. You see? It can go stop this, you know. That big up all of the sender them where donate the thing them to the youth here cause a good youth. You see me I say? Over there, we have him back. You see me I say? Cause I want team. We love you, you know. We on the team. We love you. You see me I say? I'm pure love. The community we love you. But we're not bringing class to them as yet. You see me I say? One team, dream team. You say? Dream team. One team.
Yeah, at the time about that, the boss in place and the boss, you know, so we have to go
Fan face cool up. Jaja.
Cool like you wash your face
with the cake soap. Cool. Cool like you wash your face with the cake soap.
See it there? Yo, see it there? One team.
Move over the bag, but them see the dream. Them see the team.
Yeah.
Aye, the team.
Yeah. See it there?
Yeah.
One team. One team.
Not real life.
Cool like you wash your face with the cake soap. No team that.
Yeah man, people them say want to change it out and about.
One team. See it there?
Get
One
the fresh
team.
air. Fast, look cool. Well cool. Alright, me the man cooler than you, brother.
Cool, brother.
Cucumber.
So why the man say I'm so forward out tonight, see? The man say I'm so fast. Say I'm so forward out.
Too much weight.
Wash our face and cool up. Yeah.
Only weight.
Yeah, sister piece, the man out here.
Yeah, the mouth now.
Because she talk about it, you know, she come out.
Yeah, so see the now. Out and back.
Yeah.
How when you fly in general?
Well, cool.
How when you fly in? So like you just touch off of the plane.
Alaska, where come from, you know?
Where come from?
Alaska. Yeah.
Well cool.
No, man.
Alaska, well cool.
So you see right now, you see him have him kerchief now, man. Yeah. Him a towel. He's in Jamaica now.
Yeah.
Global warming, you know?
Yeah. Right now the sun is shining 35 degrees Celsius, so I'm warm.
Yeah.
So, you see what I say?
Yeah.
Whoa. Team. One team.
Sure.
Yeah, man, that's how you think, set, man.
No man, everybody's supposed to take some picture with this. Come on man, everybody, the great Saba. Everybody come take some picture, the great Saba, one team. Dream team. Can't try tonight.
Come in, boy.
Yo, somebody go for the water. Where the water by there? Come on, bravo there. Bravo, one day. You can't make some of the money.
Yeah, it's short on yes. Whoa. Yeah, chef, there. Put the plate that here now, boy.
One brother.
See there?
Yeah.
I hit them out. One team.
One team.
Yeah, that's it start.
Again.
Right, that's so. It's the far boy.
Hold on, then watch out and play dumpling.
Dumpling. Yeah, dumpling.
You might want to get no food and get rice, you know.
It's in there. See that way that now. Dumpling. Watch that.
Hold it.
Show you some of that. Yeah, man, can cover them, this cover them up, you know. Yeah. Cover them, because look, like, the mace down there, man. Yeah, man. One doctor on it, you know.
One doctor on it, yeah. Because we get you fish, I'm just steam. You know?
Yeah.
You see him? Yeah, man, because... Straight. You know, straight up, you know? You see, yeah, man. Straight. So...
Oh, Rasta color.
Yeah, Rasta color,
red, green and gold in there.
The Ital one, you know.
Yeah, the Ital one.
The Salfish one here, you know.
Yeah.
The Ital one, this, you know.
Vital.
The Vital one is the Salfish one here. So I say, so I've got Ital and Vital at the same time, you know.
True.
Oh!
Whoa.
Yeah, man, because you see me as people, I've got Ital and Vital at the same time.
At the same time.
Yeah.
There's a dumpling. Dumpling.
Dumpling, round and round.
Banana and bacon.
Yeah, man. So, look, Fraser, tell look on the places that I call it. I want to get you some money. Look, there's some money that I call it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Go on, sit up. Yeah, man. I send you the paper, man, because tomorrow are different settings.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
New tap.
New tap. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Whoa. Whoa, people. Yo, I know. I'm the 18 karat gold, I'm ice tripping, I'm coming my ice tripping, you know. Yeah, yeah, man, look on the channel, watch it. Oh, Dream Team. Yeah, man, so I come to you, my brother. Yeah, man, so come to you. Yeah, man. Yes, I say, I'm for dealing with him. I'm sure the mates now. So you can go down in the ground.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.